The primary method for removing the metapixel from a Wix website involves disconnecting the Facebook Ads app. First, log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. Then go to Site Settings and select Apps and Integrations. Locate the Facebook Ads app within the list of installed apps. Click on the three dots, More Actions, and select Disconnect. Confirm your decision to disconnect the app. This action prevents the app from injecting new metapixel code into your site. However, it's crucial to note that disconnecting the app does not remove any existing metapixel code that was previously added to your site. This step is essential, but only the first part of the removal process. After disconnecting, a code cleanup is needed to fully remove all traces of the metapixel. After disconnecting the Facebook Ads app, you must manually remove any residual metapixel code from your Wix site. Start by enabling Dev Mode in the Wix editor, which gives you access to advanced development tools. Once Dev Mode is enabled, use the HTML code element to access your site's code. This element allows you to embed custom code directly into your pages. Search for the metapixel script in your site's code. It typically appears as a script tag loading from Facebook's servers or contains initialization code with your pixel ID. Delete these code snippets from your site's head section and any page-specific code sections where they might be present. Utilize Wix's Code Inspector tool to identify and remove any lingering code that might have been missed. After removing the code, verify that the metapixel is no longer active. Use browser extensions like the Facebook Pixel Helper or tools like GTmetrix to check for active tracking. Finally, clear your site's cache and republish your site to ensure the changes are live. Regularly auditing your site's code is essential to maintain privacy compliance and prevent zombie pixels from persisting.